Jeunesse is not just a business, it's a global movement. And because we put family first, we want to help you every step of the way.
Our award-winning tools were created to put you on the fast track to success. From step-by-step training guides to informative videos and PowerPoints, we have everything you need to build a growing business, including a team of corporate and field leaders who truly want to see you succeed.
The best part, you can choose where and when to work and set your own goals.
It's your life. With Jeunesse, thousands of distributors have joined our community, shared our incredible products with people they know, and enjoyed the benefits of financial rewards. But that's not where the perks stop. We also reward our people with amazing travel opportunities to exotic destinations. And because we want to invest in your future, we put on first-class events all over the world designed to empower your success and grow your business.
Let's look at the facts. The anti-aging industry is projected to reach over $300 billion in sales in the next 3 years alone. So what does that mean?
People don't want to age, and they're willing to spend money on quality products that fulfill that desire. That's where you come in. Jeunesse is an award-winning company growing at an unprecedented rate, perfectly positioned in multiple billion-dollar markets to provide you with an incredible opportunity.
In 2016, Jeunesse was the only direct selling company to rank on Inc. magazine's 500 list of fastest growing privately held companies in America. The only one in the top 500 to post $1 billion in revenue last year.
Since 2009, we've grown by more than 100% year over year, becoming the fastest company to reach the billion-dollar mark in direct selling history.
Yes, ever. So how does this all work? At this very moment, people are using
their phones, computers,
tablets, and social media to share Jeunesse. It's technology that they already know how to use.
With just the touch of a button, people are making a living
all over the world. Best of all, they're using a global infrastructure that's already in place.
Now, that's not just innovation, that's genius.
With result-oriented products, distribution to over 130 countries, and the ability to do business from anywhere, Jeunesse empowers you to succeed and create valuable relationships along the way.
This is largely due to our diverse global platform supported from more than 30 offices around the world, including Hong Kong, Taiwan,
Mexico, Singapore, Tokyo, and Seoul.
So if you are looking to change your own life through a perfected turnkey system developed by the direct selling industry's best and brightest, look no further than Jeunesse.
Remember, Jeunesse isn't only redefining youth, it's redefining lives.
And the team and leadership at Jeunesse make it easy to fall in love with the culture and endless opportunities. Inspired by their humble beginnings, founders Randy Ray and Wendy Lewis are building a lasting legacy with a clear vision for the future.
Led by Chief Visionary Officer Scott Lewis.
They want you to succeed, whatever success means to you.
You want to know what else I love? They give back. Jeunesse Kids is the company's charity that reaches directly into disadvantaged regions all over the world that makes a tangible difference. In recent years, Jeunesse Kids has taken on a groundbreaking sustainability model
that begins with the adoption of entire rural communities in China, Kenya, and Ecuador.
By building multiple schools, bringing new clean water systems, health facilities, agriculture, and alternative income sources for adults, these 5 pillars allow for villages to overcome poverty and thrive as a community with true empowerment.
Look, the path to a better life just got simpler. Together, we are creating a global movement that
empowers people to reach their full potential.
No matter their age, race, rank,
or income. Our story is just beginning,
and yours can too.
We are Jeunesse.
We are Jeunesse.
We are Jeunesse.
We are Generation Young.